Welcome to our journey into the vibrant world of succulents. These fascinating plants have captured the hearts of many, and today we'll explore 40 incredible facts about them.
Succulents are native to some of the toughest environments on Earth, such as deserts and arid regions, which gives them their incredible ability to store water.
Did you know that there are over 10,000 species of succulents? Each one has its own unique appearance and adaptations to thrive in minimal conditions.
The word succulent comes from the Latin succus, meaning juice or sap. This reflects their juicy, fleshy leaves and stems that store water.
One of the most famous succulent families is the Apocynaceae, which includes the popular starfish plant with its striking, star-shaped flowers.
The iconic aloe vera is not just a succulent but also a medicinal plant. Its gel can soothe burns and promote healing.
Jade plants are not only beautiful but are also considered symbols of luck and prosperity in several cultures.
Some succulents, like the Echeveria, have a unique rosette shape that mimics blooming flowers, making them a favorite among collectors.
One of the most resilient succulents is the lithops, also known as living stones. They blend seamlessly into their rocky surroundings for protection.
Succulents have adapted to their environments by developing thick, fleshy parts that store water, allowing them to survive long periods of drought.
Unlike most plants, some succulents can actually photosynthesize at night through a process called cam photosynthesis, giving them an edge in arid areas.
In terms of care, succulents prefer bright indirect sunlight and can tolerate a variety of soil types, but drainage is key to prevent root rot.
Another fun fact: succulents can propagate easily, meaning you can grow new plants from leaf cuttings or offsets.
The popular string of pearls plant has striking bead-like leaves that retain water, giving it a unique look and easy care needs.
Did you know that succulents bloom too? Many produce vibrant flowers once a year, which often attract pollinators like bees and butterflies.
Some succulents change color based on their environment. Stress from sunlight can cause their leaves to turn vibrant shades of red or purple. The largest succulent in the world is the giant agave, which can grow up to 10 feet tall and may live for over 30 years before blooming.
Intriguingly, the diversity among succulents offers a wide range of textures, colors, and shapes, making them a popular choice for home decor.
In addition, succulents require minimal water and are perfect for busy individuals or those just starting their plant journey.
A popular myth persists that succulents are indestructible. However, overwatering or inadequate light can still harm them. In Mexico, many species of succulent, like the agave, are used to produce traditional drinks like tequila.
Succulents are also recognized for their air-purifying qualities, making them excellent companions for improving indoor air quality.
Interestingly, succulent leaves can also be a source of food for animals, as they are rich in moisture and nutrients.
Many cultures use succulents in ceremonial practices, with offerings and decorations, signifying purity and simplicity.
You'll often see succulents in landscapes designed for xeriscaping, a technique that reduces or eliminates the need for irrigation.
The practice of keeping indoor succulents has gained immense popularity on social media, inspiring countless plant enthusiasts around the globe.
Melanoma and Succulent, skin diseases, are ancient African remedies that use aloe vera and other succulents to heal.
Moreover, succulents are low maintenance and can be a great choice for those who travel frequently and can't attend to plants regularly.
Their ability to thrive in harsh climates makes them important in ecological restoration efforts, helping stabilize soils.
A fascinating fact: some succulents can live for decades. The oldest known succulent is over 200 years old. Many succulents exude a sticky substance called nectar, which can attract beneficial insects as natural pollinators.
Did you know that some gardeners create stunning succulent arrangements known as dish gardens, combining various types for visual impact?
Interestingly, many common houseplants, like carnivorous plants, have similar adaptations to survive in nutrient-poor environments. The popularity of succulents has influenced countless crafting projects, from DIY terrariums to unique succulent arrangements as gifts.
Finally, succulents have become significant symbols of sustainability, encouraging people's interest in eco-friendly gardening.
Thanks for joining us in this succulent adventure. Remember, the beauty of these plants lies in their resilience and adaptability.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant-related content. Let's keep growing together.